this is the second time we played this, but guess what it is? 5 a.m. Go by forever. What the heck? What? By the way, I probably have a remastered PNG today. Hello there, Among Us Tricky. It's me, your conscious. This music is great. Normally, you don't hear from me at 5 a.m. But there's something important. You appear to be waking up due to starvation. I suggest you do something about it. This music is great. Just don't try to be too loud, alright? I'll be sneaky. 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 So we got Zero. It looks like the original game, but whoa. Our room looks like it changed a little bit. It's gonna be too loud. You are beneath me. Why does it say you are beneath me? Nintendo. Currently 7 fails and 5 endings. Get them all. Okay, I used it. It is close. Ticks, obviously. You love ticks here. Pick up. Door. I'm like, this has to be the right door. Sonic. Door. Oh, it's gnawing orange. I can see that. Troll face. I need to get back to Trollage. Oh my goodness, that just reminded me. I seriously. Among Us. Why? I need to get back to Trollage, guys. Reconnect. Oh no, I have seriously bad problems again. I hope this does not mess up my video because I just got taken out of the game. Okay, it got darker. It got darker. The music got darker. Don't like it. So, I was watching something on YouTube, sorry. Yoshi? Okay. What does it say? Robert, I can't read that. I saw Robert. Use. It's much more easier now. I don't have to double click. How to restroom 3rd edition revised. I had to double click 2 times. Got 22 cash money. Can we burn up the house? I remember the last time. We could totally pick it up. Got chips. Yummy. No, I wanted to burn the house down. Any annoying oranges in here? Whoa! That scared me half to death. Why is there a head in there? I think there was a head in there in the last game. Phil. Invalid item. This is Eden. Do I Gotta get to sleep. Objective, go back to sleep. Is that easy? Oh! Oh! You woke me up! It's the same ending. I could hear you opening and eating the chips. It's the remake! Daddy. Why did you kill me? I'm just gonna say that's my daddy from real life. My dad. I'm gonna just say my dad from real life is right there. Let's just pretend that actually just happened. Like my real dad just came up and saw me doing that. Oh, that would be terrifying. I've had that happen to me before though. I can see outside, it looks creepy. The outside looks creepy. So I redid a ending that was pretty memorable. Entire year old. Yay. Guess the alpha from last summer. Bruh. Oh yeah. How to make Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid powder water. Kool-Aid powder water. Feed? You don't have it. Oh, I was going to feed it to my dog. Wait. Squidward. 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 What has he done? Can we please turn on the TV? Never mind. I was going to say, can we please turn on the TV? Locked. Go away. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Die! No! My sibling is a monster. My real sibling in real life is not a monster. She eats your face. Ugh. My sibling in real life is not a monster. And I'm not just going to say her name because she will get mad at me. So, I know there's currently 5 endings in 7 fails. I only got 2 fails. 2 fails. Waking up the sister. Literally, I woke up my sister, and it was not a good thing. It was a terrible thing. I shouldn't have done that. I'm just saying that. Outdoors is a WIP hold tight. I don't know what that means. Little Man's house from the Bob mod. Little Man, are you in there? Okay, never mind. I was going to try to get like the little man out of there. I was like, hey, I'm Ron. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not Ron. I was going to fool him that I was Ron or something. Let's go to the store. Let's see if that same stupid clerk is there. Up in 24 hours. You know that. Okay, this music's good. This guy's different. Please take any item and come to purchase. Grape cola. Never seen that before. It's 99. Well, I'm totally getting this. Got grape. Hi. Hi. That's gonna. This guy's even more scarier. Okay, these are the same fails, I think. The same fails. Get me, take me away, sir. I don't care. You obviously. I'm so sorry, but ooh, he has different dialogue. But I'm going to need that. back here. Hey, I said here. Ending shoplifting. We got our first ending. I think it had a life lesson right there that I was not listening to. We need to make some Kool-Aid. The daddy figure's not in here. Wait, is he? No, I'm not doing that. You know what happened last time. No. Quack. Why is some things raised? Why is my phone beeping? Oh, 71 charged. Chips. I don't know what. Gim. No, daddy figure. I've always got that. The shoplift without death. I should get that. I always say daughter figure, but I mean daddy. I meant daddy figure. I'm making Kool-Aid. I'm making Kool-Aid. I don't care if the Kool-Aid man comes for me. I'm making Kool-Aid. Oh, water. We need water. What? What? You don't have a dog. I feel so sorry for this dude. He does not have a dog. Does my sibling have water? Yeah, I took it from her. Now go before she chops my head off. What is this image down here? It's a smiling cup of something. I know it's water, but still. If for some reason the Kool-Aid man comes through. Kool-Aid? Cold man? I feel scared. Is that the Kool-Aid man? Whoa. Whoa. Help me. That scared me half to death. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, bye guys. I'm not taking any more longer times on. Wait. Toothpaste. Last thing. Toothpaste. Oh, I accidentally went down there. I want the toothpaste. I was about to end my video. Guys, I was about to end my video, but whoa. I know there's Colgate. Oh no! Colgate. Oh my goodness. Bye guys.